So guys, in this video we're gonna change the cabin air filter. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we are just disconnecting our glove box. Yep, unscrewing this. We have cabin air filter, so we are just taking off this cover. Here it comes. So this is our cabin air filter. It's pretty dirty. If you have allergies or something, you should change pretty often, like every 20,000 kilometers, maybe like 2 oil changes. Let's take the new one out of the box. This one is the new one, and I'm gonna put like this. Here we go. So I'm just gonna close the thing and just connect my screws on the side. Here we go. This is how to change cabin air filter.
You can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona, you don't belong near a car.